Today topic in HTML formatting element. There I am discuss font size, style, color, face and marquee. Font size. Font size attribute specifies the font size either as a numeric or relative value. Numeric value range from 1 to 7. The default font size is 3. This is the syntax of font size. Number 1 to 7. After you can give the text after closing font size. So font size how many is there? Total 7 is there. See, first font color. Font color attribute is used to assign different colors for the text in a web page. This attribute is specified within the font element. Syntax: font color, color name, text, font closing tag. Next one, font face. Font face attribute is used to change the font style of a text. This attribute is specified within the font element. Syntax: font face, font type, after text, after close the font closing tag. There I am given to receive the handwriting. After you can check the Arial font style also. Next, marquee. Marquee is the example of TV. There's news channel news is explained the top of the screen. Downside scrolling some advertisements. There you can use the marquee. In the HTML, marquee tag is used to scroll piece of text displayed either horizontally or vertically on the web page depending on the settings. This is the scrolled using marquee tag. Syntax is marquee and marquee closing tag. Understand? Next, this is our output on the program. Okay. See, this is our program. HTML font element. Here I am using font size of font size example and blue color. You see the handwriting using. I am writing this one. Okay, I am working where you are working the school name I am given here marquee. This is your program. In this program this is your output. Okay, in this program now you can check it. See here, program notepad. I'm writing here. Saving is very important for you. So again I'm save as every video I'm explaining. Font 3 I'm given. Already more times I'm given you. Font 3 .html. Select must and should left side desktop. After click the save. This after see font size 3. This is double click on this. Same output will here and scroll our where you are working the marquee tag using. I am given the scrolling. So I am working where it is, that name is in scrolling here. Understand the program? Okay. Next, see here, this is your homework. I am same program given here. Font size I am previous and given 7 here and 6 here. Their blue color given here, a red color. Here change the handwriting you see in the change into Arial. Okay, you can practice. And my school name given here. You can give the Gemini TV. This is your homework. Everyone homework done and post in the comment section. Thank you. Meet to next video using image tag. Thank you.